How's it going, everybody? Blake with Fire Pro here. Today I'm just going to do a basic demonstration on how to use a fire extinguisher. Start off, you want to hold the fire extinguisher upright by the bottom handle. And then I want you to remember the acronym PASS, P-A-S-S. The P stands for pull the pin. The A stands for aim the hose. You want to aim at the base of the fire and start about 8 feet back from the fire. The first S is squeeze the handle. The second S is sweep. You're going to sweep the hose back and forth. At Fire Pro, we offer a hands-on fire extinguisher demonstration. We come out to your place of work, we go over the different types of fires, the different types of fire extinguishers, and then we give everyone a hands-on experience using a fire extinguisher. That way, if the occasion ever rises to use a fire extinguisher, you can use it with confidence. Contact our office today, schedule a fire extinguisher demonstration with one of our trained technicians. Thanks for watching.